I'll give you the brief of what happened in last 24 hours. By now you know that yesterday 13 more persons were found positive with the coronavirus, and all 13 were from the BSF headquarters itself. Among them, there was one person called Jai Kumar Mog, who is a civilian working in their mess, and he is a resident of Magdinpada, adjacent to BSF headquarters. But as per information, for last more than 1 year since the lockdown, he was within the battalion headquarters only. So he had not come out to his house. However, we have visited his family house, and samples of his father, brother and his sister-in-law, that is Bhavi, had also been taken. Yesterday, total 387 tests were done. Out of that, 185 was from Dhalai. This included the BSF people from BSF headquarters, Gandachera, Nalkata, and medical staff, plus 10 more persons, civilians, who were primarily the patient and the relatives who had stayed for a small period of time in Ambassa. So, you know, those 13 have been found positive. These 13 persons have already come to GB. They are now in GB. Now, today, as of now, 435 tests are running, out of which 259 are from Ambassa, Dhalai district. About 152 are BSF Jawan. Then 51 are civilian from Magdinpada, which is adjacent to the BSF headquarters, and 19 are from the Mongbadi and the police line, which is all adjacent, and 37 are other contacts based on our tracing, which are undergoing tests now. Results are likely to come around 10 PM or so, so that you will come to know whatever the result. The 3 containment zones that has been declared, surveillance and monitoring in that area is going on. The total about 5,000 families are covered in that, largest being the Gandachera, because Adam base is close to the Gandachera town. Till now, out of that, we have visited every house. We are monitoring the symptoms. Some cases have been found, and based on that, sample collection is going on. On the data part, on the cumulative, we have completed about 6,228 tests till yesterday, and of course, 43 have been found positive. You all know that. On Shoraibari front, there have been vehicles coming. Considering the whole issue and long jam of the goods vehicle that was coming, we consulted some people who told 50% sampling rate for asymptomatic is very high, and because that was also leading to jam. So now we have asked DM to do 2 things. One, not every alternate vehicle will be tested. Alternate vehicle originating from non-hotspot area and driver or conductor having no symptom. So that category, now every 5th vehicle sample will be taken. So this decision was taken yesterday night, and today speed has gone up. Rest you will verify whether that is sufficient or not. Second decision we have taken, particularly in respect of perishables. That decision is that if the perishable is coming from hotspot, vehicle will not be stranded because there is a likelihood of perishable getting damaged. So samples would be taken there, and they would be released with information to concerned district magistrate that when the vehicle unloads the persons from the vehicle, driver, assistant, everybody, should be put in quarantine till the result comes. So these two modifications have been done. Other is that the 10 buses coming from Kota had arrived. Their samples have been collected. There are total 262 persons. Now they have been put under quarantine for a day at Ambassador Nagar. Their sample is likely to reach by tonight or early morning tomorrow. And by tomorrow evening the results would be out because it's coming from hotspot. So they all have been put under facility quarantine. I think this is by and large for today. Anything that you have, please let me know.
Sir, is there any possibility of people from other zone to come to the containment zone?
What do you mean? Containment zone is containment zone. Nobody can come in, nobody can go out. Everybody is supposed to stay within their houses and come out only for the minimum, bare minimum essential activities.
जो पहला जो जवान था हमारा
जी
कोरोना इन्फेक्टेड हुआ है, उनका हेल्थ का स्टेटस क्या है?
अभी स्टेबल है. Like Sonowal you are talking about? Sonowal?
हाँ,
अच्छा, हाँ, head constable. He is stable. He is all okay.
Second test has been conducted. Second test.
No, that will be done after 7 days.
So now since you have said that about that person, mass person, he belongs to a village. So now is there any chance of doing community testing across the village since you have just said he is a civilian?
First, when we have verified, this had been confirmed by BSF also that that person has not gone to visited his village for last 1 month since the lockdown started. So chances of community transmission is in any case almost zero. But even then, because Magazine Pada, it adjacent to BSF headquarters, is a part of the containment zone. Now, his family members have already been samples taken, and yesterday 51 samples from same Pada has already undergoing test. So we are going for a large scale testing as well to eliminate any chance of, even small chance of having anybody contracted the infection. We want to know before it spreads.
So there was a plan. There was a plan which talking that all the BSF personnel who were tested COVID positive will be shifted from GB2 this volunteer headquarters of BSF. So how much it has been progressed?
Actually, it's not exactly that way. The issue is that when large number of COVID positive cases started coming up, we were looking for expanding our capacity because when we had none, we were happy with having 40 seats in GB and 30 seats in IGM, saying कि अच्छा आएगा तो देख लेंगे. But now that 40 is already there, there may be more. So we were looking for other spaces where we can immediately provide this. So Government of India website itself shows that in Agartala there are 2 COVID hospitals. One is our GB and other is the Central Medical Facility, which is located in BSF headquarters. It is not actually the BSF hospital. This is a hospital available for all paramilitary, including Assam Rifle. But it's located in the BSF headquarters. So that facility has already been declared as a COVID facility by Government of India. So we thought if the facility is already declared by Government of India, why not take advantage of it? It's already has a 50 bed. So yesterday only we had the contact with the DIG, which is medical officer, asked him, why can't we use your facility for the COVID? He said, yes, it's declared, but as of now, we have no materials and support system for doing that. We have requested, they have not come. So we have said, we will supply you the material, everything. You keep your facility ready. Based on the situation that it emerges, we will see if we can shift these people there or the additional arrival there, or we will keep it ready. So the option is there. We are watching, but facility available facility in contract expanding scenario, where progress in geometrical progression mode, having a facility is a boon. So that way we have kept it ready and we are watching.
What is it capacity?
As of now, it's a 50-bedded hospital, but the doctor there said that because we have to maintain the social distancing, etc., they can accommodate at best 35 persons.
So has the center notified Gandachara as hotspot zone so far?
No, the whole Dhalai has been notified at red zone. Hotspot as of now, no. Gandachara should not be identified because Gandachara we have no case. But because it's part of the district and district is notified, so Dhalai has been notified at red zone.
सर लास्ट 2 days हमें देखने को मिला और सुनने में मिला है जो बीएसएफ के जवान जो कोरोना इंफेक्टेड थे उनको लाया जा रहा है उसमें कुछ दिक्कत आ रही है और कल हमें ऐसा देखने को भी मिला है कि जो एम्बुलेंस में वो लाए थे उनका विंडो खुला हुआ था और शायद वो लोग बाहर स्पीड भी कर रहे थे तो उनका ये कहना है कि हमें जानवर की तरह लाया जा रहा है तो ये सब कुछ एलिगेशंस है और एक एलिगेशन ये है कि बीएसएफ जवान जो 12 पहले आइडेंटिफाई हुए थे उनको लाने में ज़्यादा समय लग गया था तो इसके रिगार्डिंग शायद कुछ एक्सप्लेनेशन मांगा गया है तो उस बारे में क्या आप बताएं?
ऐसा था कि वो पहला दिन था, ठीक है, तो वी वर मॉनिटरिंग, तो जब करीब 2:30 बजे के आसपास ये हुआ कि वो सब जाएंगे, उसके बाद जो इन्फॉर्मेशन ये आया कि 2:30 बजे चल चुके हैं और करीब 7:30 बजे तक यहाँ नहीं पहुँचे थे, then we got worried कि क्या हुआ, so we started investigating and that explanation is part of that why the delay happened, so that we know whether they have gone, where they have gone. As of now, we are awaiting formally, but informally what we have learned is, because it was the first time, the driver of the ambulance refused. We have the 102 facility which is outsourced, you know. So that driver said कि मैं काम नहीं करूँगा, मैं जाऊँगा. So then that agency in charge had to arrange another vehicle. Then BSF vehicle came. So all this put together, it took little extra time. Probably they started at 4:30 and they reached here at 7:45. So as it appears, the delay is not much because 2 vehicles coming together. Secondly, yes, windows were open. Actually, they were open because you can't put them shut. They are not the animals. And secondly, they are healthy. So having a open window is not harm. If you are away 2 meters away, it's all okay. And inside, except the driver who was fully geared, everybody was positive. So it's true that they would come with an open window. So I don't see anything. Now, whether they might have split, they may not have split. It's a part of the journey. I don't see much reason. But yes, based on the experience of us, subsequently, this whole operation or movement from Ambassa to Gili has been better synchronized. So the second 2 trips, they have been smooth.
So it has been learned that this CMO Dhalai has been chauffeured by the enemy. Is it true? If true, then what is the result?
No, it's not so called. CMO, because CMO was in charge of the medical operations, so CMO has been asked to call for the explanation from the drivers and the staff who were deputed to send them to explain why things have been delayed. Okay, so that is the letter given to me.
He is still in the post. CMO is still working.
CM is working. CM does not have a particular fault. He being in charge, because there is a delay, the administration has asked why there is a delay, please identify the region so that if there is somebody responsible or some region is there, it can be rectified and that does not happen. As everybody has said, a COVID positive patient moving here and there for a long period of time is a risk. So we need to plan things when he starts and where he goes. So technically he should have started at 2:30, but because this happened with the driver and all that, we now informally know. Once that comes in writing, then we will see which driver, maybe that driver can be barred. So agency can be told that we don't want the services of that driver. So those things will be difficult. CMO has been asked to please inquire Ask from the concerned person why the delay happened and then report.
एक आखिरी